Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select a new currency in the AirAsia application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the upper left corner and you will see there a symbol with your initial. Press on it. After doing so, you should scroll all the way down and you will find here the settings option. After pressing on it, you can see the first option presented to you, which is the currency. If you press on it, you can change to almost any kind of currency here. Well, not almost all, but you can see there is quite a long list you can have when it comes to currency. And if you want to change any of these, like you want, for example, the British pound, you just have to press on it. And you can see here right next to the currency option that it was changed. You can see the GBP there. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.